Hello viewers, my WhatsApp account status not showing to me. Few minutes ago I uploaded a status on my WhatsApp account, but it's not showing to me. Others can see it. In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all find WhatsApp, long press on WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp app info. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. Now go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Go back to home screen, open Play Store. Now search WhatsApp. Update WhatsApp if available any update version. After completing update, now open WhatsApp. Now check. Still my WhatsApp status not showing to me. At this point I hope your problem will be solved. But don't worry. Now I'll show another method to fix these issues. Now upload another status. Now open my status and see here showing all status that I already uploaded. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.